My hair has been through it all. Big chops, wigs, breakage, and now clip-ins. Over the past 13 years of being natural, I've learned so much about my hair, my choices, and myself. This is my journey. I went natural back in 2012, but the journey started long before that. For years, I relied on my friend, now celebrity hairstylist, Larry Sims, to keep my hair looking flawless. He took great care of my hair, and it always showed. But when his career took off and I moved to Riverside, it became harder to schedule with him. That's when I stumbled across the natural hair community on YouTube. I was researching for my cousin, but the more I watched, the more I saw a new possibility for my hair. The idea of going natural, completely natural, felt exciting. A conversation with model Tamiko Frazier-Hines on a podcast that I co-hosted sealed the deal. She talked about embracing her natural hair, and I was inspired. The very next day, I chopped off my relaxed ends and embraced a 3-inch afro. It was freeing. I felt like I had a fresh start. In the beginning, I loved playing with my hair. As it grew, I got more creative. But by 2016, I noticed something troubling. My hair started breaking, thinning, and splitting. It was a wake-up call. Today, I'm actually getting ready to go and get my hair trimmed by Felicia Leatherwood. I already knew Felicia Leatherwood from a previous celebrity employer. She used to do her hair, and I stayed in touch with her over the years. She used to always talk to me about going natural when I would book her for my boss, but at the time, I wasn't interested. I was still going to Larry, and I was loving my relaxed hair. But in 2016, this was the first time Felicia did my hair, and she gave me my second big chop. While it was hard to lose the length, I knew it was necessary. After that, I tried everything. Braids, twists, clip-ins, and eventually wigs. Wigs became my go-to for years. They were convenient, but a little too convenient. I started neglecting my real hair. For my wedding in 2022, I decided to ditch the wigs and go for a sew-in. I went for touch-ups every 3 months, and after about a year, I decided to remove the sew-in. When I finally washed my own hair, I was shocked. My hair had grown so much, but it was very thin and very fragile. That's when I knew I had to change my approach. Now I'm focused on consistency. I wash my hair weekly, massage my scalp, and use products that strengthen and nourish. My routine includes Olaplex for bond maintenance, Hydratherma Naturals for protein treatments, and Kenra clarifying shampoo to keep my scalp clean. It's a work in progress, and I still struggle with heat damage and breakage, but I'm learning to care for my hair in a way that works for me. If there's one thing I've learned, it's that hair journeys are personal. What works for one person might not work for another. It's about finding what's best for you and being patient with the process. Now that Larry has launched the Sim-Styled Experience, a partnership with JCPenney where you can get styled in 2 hours or less by trained stylists at select JCPenney salons, I'm thinking about trying out the service. To anyone out there struggling with their hair, know that you're not alone. Take it one step at a time, and remember, your journey is uniquely yours. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more insight and inspiration.